Hello. My name is Lawrence Lennoxton. I will be briefly discussing central banks by 2075 to 2100. Please note, this video is not an in-depth analysis of the topic but rather contains rudimentary conjectures to start a dialogue. Central banks, which oversee nations' money supplies, interest rates, employment and workforce development and more to maintain financial stability, could face several challenges by the late 21st century and attempt to meet them. The use of advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence, robots, and 3D printers, will transform the private and public sectors. Natural and man-made disasters, wars, and other potential cataclysms could affect economies. The consequences of the above-mentioned could alter employment rates, the prices of goods and services, and value of currencies, and the central banks could try to stabilize them. Growing national debts and unsustainable fiscal paths could make their tasks more difficult, though artificial intelligence could be used to help think of better courses of action during a time of digital transformation. Central banks could carry out adaptive and innovative initiatives and expand beyond their traditional roles with increased digitization. The development of superior financial infrastructure could be a focal point. They could increasingly work on creating better transaction systems to accelerate the movement of money and facilitate commerce and trade. Cross-border payments could be made not only faster but less expensive. A number of central banks could develop digital currencies to operate on potentially more efficient platforms. However, cyber attacks, including ones using artificial intelligence, could be highly problematic. Central banks could take more measures to assist in prevention and responses to cyber attacks. Their involvement in the financial sector's preparedness and protocol implementation, as well as supervision and regulation of the banking industry and alternative payments, like cryptocurrency, could grow. Financial technology with heightened security could be created, and artificial intelligence could be used for financial institution monitoring to a greater degree. Coordination with central banks abroad could be enlarged. Additionally, central banks could assume more microeconomic responsibilities and expand their reach to promote the financial health of the nation's citizens. Protecting digital identity, personal finances data, and consumer payments could be made a priority. Attention could also be given to broader credit access and giving, particularly for underserved populations. And there could be increased collaboration with communities and small organizations. Please write a comment about your thoughts regarding central banks by the late 21st century. This concludes the video. The link for my other video, Globalization, Protectionism, and Trade by 2075 to 2100, is in the description below.